Uh, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students. In this video, I am going to teach you the sixth unit of grade 10 called area. Unit 6, area. So I have already uploaded the explanation of the first unit. After that, I upload this unit, skipping unit 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because I'm not going to follow the chronological order of your syllabus. After perimeter, I already taught you perimeter in the first video. Now I'm going to teach you area. Right? So as you can see on the screen, by studying this lesson, you will be able to find the areas of sectors of circles. So this is why I selected this chapter or this unit to teach now, because I already explained you how to find the perimeter of sectors of circle. So these are called mensuration. So, area perimeters are called mensuration. That is a branch of mathematics. So here, solve problems. And the second purpose of this unit is to solve problems related to the areas of plane figures containing sectors of circles. That means we are going to find the areas of compound objects in which sectors are involved. Okay, for example, sector and the circle, like that. So these are called compound objects. Right. Now, areas of plane figures. So this is what we have studied in our previous classes. So when I taught you perimeter, we had looked at the perimeters of these kind of plane figures. So here they have given some shapes and their formula for finding the area. For rectangle, we have breadth and length. So length into breadth. So length into breadth is the area of a rectangle. So here for a square, we have sides. So a square means square of one side, one length sides. Okay. Again, parallelogram. Here parallelogram. Here we have base and this is called altitude. Altitude. Okay. So base into altitude. So we call A into H. Again, triangle. Triangle means there also we have an equation, but we have to place half in front of it. So half into base into altitude. So half AH. So that is the equation. Again, here for trapezium. For trapezium, the equation for finding the area is A is equal to half into sum of the lengths of the parallel sides. So here in trapezium, we have a pair of parallel sides. So we have to add them. And again, the altitude. Altitude means the height. Okay. Again, for a circle, we have pi r square. So this is what we have learned in our previous classes. So let's do this preview exercise. Okay. So let me share stop. Right. I'm going to explain one by one so you can see in your book. So review exercise number one. Number one, we have a circle. Sorry, we have a square. So for finding area of a square is equal to a square. A square means 6 square. 6 square means 36 and the unit is centimeter. So you have to be very careful. Here also, here this is 6 centimeter. Here this is 6 centimeter whole in square. So 36 centimeter square. So unit is very important. Again, they have, for the second example, they have given a rectangle. So for finding rectangle, A is equal to A into B, length into breadth. So 9 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So 36 centimeter square. So here 1 centimeter, again another centimeter. So centimeter square. So again, there is a right angle triangle. So finding any kind of for finding the area of a triangle, we need to use the equation. So for finding the area of a triangle, we need to use the equation A is equal to half into A base into H. So here substituting the values given in the picture, so half, so the base is 6 and the altitude is 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Altitude is 4 centimeter. So by simplifying, so here 1, here 2, so 6 into 2, 12 centimeters square. So we need to be very careful. Here we need to place square. Right? So, right. D part, A is equal to pi r square because we have been given a circle. So here 22 by 7 into radius is 7. So 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. So here this 7 and this 7 I can eliminate. So 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. Right. E part, we have been given a scalene triangle in which sides are not equal to each other. So here A is equal to half into the base. I can take as 24 centimeter into the altitude is 7 centimeter. So answer is what? Here 1, I can simplify 12. So 484 centimeters square. This is for the E part. And again, F, we have been given a parallelogram. So here we have A is equal to A8. So the base is 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter is the altitude. So 696 centimeter square. Okay. Right. Now, the last one, we have been given a trapezium. So here, the shape is like this. Here, the trapezium is given here. So here, this is 6 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. These sides are parallel, and these sides are perpendicular. So, and this is 6 centimeter. So I can take it as altitude, and the equation is A is equal to half into A plus B. Let me take it as A and this B into A. So substituting values, half into A plus B means 10 plus 6 into H is 6. So here half into 16 into 6. Sorry, 6. So here 8. 48 centimeters square. Okay. Now moving to the second review question. The rectangle in figure C has been formed by joining together the trapezium in the figure A and the triangle in figure B. So here, this figure is formed by merging these. The figure C is formed by merging figure A and figure B. So First question is find the area of the trapezium in figure A. So here, as we did in the G part of question number 1, we can find the area of the trapezium and figure B. So the question 2 is to find the area of the triangle. So we can find, so I have already explained you how to find the area of a triangle. It's in the C part of the question 1. You can find the area and find the area of the rectangle in the figure C in terms of the areas of figure A and figure B. So what we have to do is, we have found the area of figure A and figure B. So by adding the areas of figure A and B, we can find the area of the square. Sorry, that is not square, rectangle. Okay, right. Now I'm not going to. Now moving to the fourth question. So you can try the third question by yourself, and I'm explaining you the fourth question. So the figure denotes a parallelogram of area 120 centimeters square. Its perimeter is 64. So they have given. So let me draw the diagram. So this is a parallelogram. So they tell this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And this is 6 centimeter. Okay. Determine the following. The length of the side CD. So we need to find the length of this side and the length of this side. So let me take it as X. And this is Y for easiness. So I can tell they have given the area of the parallelogram is 110. So here I can tell X into this base into this altitude 6 is equal to 120. So I can tell X is equal to here 1, here 220 centimeter. They have given the perimeter P is equal to 64. So I can tell if this is X, this is also X. You know the properties of a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. If this is Y and this is also Y. So I can tell perimeter P is equal to here. Starting my journey from here, from A, X plus Y plus X plus Y. That means 2X plus 2Y. So 2X plus 2Y is equal to 64. So X plus Y is equal to 32. Now I have found X is equal to 20. So here I can substitute 20 plus Y is equal to 32. Hence I can say Y is equal to 32 minus 20, which is equal to 12 centimeter. You need to be very careful. You need to give the answer along with the unit. Otherwise, you might lose partial marks. So ultimately, you have to write like this. So CD is equal to 20 centimeter and this. What? Y is what? BC. BC is equal to, yes, 12 centimeter. Ultimately, you have better give the answer like this because they have not given X or Y. We have taken ourselves, so we need to give in this form. Right. So far we have discussed what we have learned in our previous classes. Now coming to the chapter for this grade, right? So 6.1, area of a sector of a circle. This is nothing but what we have studied in perimeter. So in perimeter, we used an equation for finding the arc. So that's the format of this of the equation for finding the area of sector of a circle. So here arc length we used to write like theta over 360 into 2 pi r. But instead of 2 pi r, here we are going to put pi r square. That's all. So area of a sector is equal to theta by 360, 360 into pi r square. So you have to remember this equation. Let me magnify my video. Okay. Now the same things, right? So if it is a quadrant, we have to use 1 by 4. If it is a semicircle, we have to, in this fraction should be 1 by 2. And if it is theta, theta by 360, and this is the equation. Okay, right. That's all. So moving to the example number 1. Let me stop share. Right. Example number 1. Example number 1. So find the area of the sector in the following figure. So they have given a figure. So the theta is 45 and the radius is 14. So I am going to use the equation A is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So here 45 over 360 into, instead of pi, I can put 22 by 7 into r square 14 into 14. Okay. Now here 1, here 8, here 1, here 2. So here 4, I can eliminate this. Here 2, 7. Okay. Here 1, 11. So the answer is 77 centimeter square. Moving to the example number 2. If the area of the sector, yes. If the area of the sector in the figure is 17 centimeters square, find the radius of the. Now question number 2, they have given the area, okay, and this is the picture. So they R, we need to find R, and the theta is 40. Is that 40? Yes, 40 degree. So A is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So instead of A, I can put the value 17.9 is equal to theta 40 over 360 into, instead of pi, I can put 22 by 7 into r square. Now, here I have a hybrid fraction. So I need to convert it into improper fraction. Okay. Before that, I can simplify this as well. So 1 by 6, 1 by 9. Okay. 9. Here 153 plus 1, 154 by 9. 154 by 9 is equal to 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into r square. Here I can eliminate this 9 and this 7. Again, so r squared is equal to, I don't know whether you can see. Okay. So r squared is equal to 154 into 7 over 22. 154. So if I simplify it by 2, I receive 11 and here 77. So here I can simplify by 11. So I receive 1 and 7. So here r squared is equal to 7 into 7, which is equal to, hence I can say r is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now moving to the third example. No. And they have given some exercises, exercise 6.1. You can try them. There is nothing. And if it is, they have given, if you observe the third question, the areas of the two sectors of circles given below are 792 centimeters square and this value respectively. For each sector, find the radius. Same as this question. That's all. Now moving to the 6.2. Moving to the 6.2, plane figures containing sectors of circles. Okay, that means we are going to find the area of the compound figures in which sectors of circles are merged. So using sectors of circles, we are going to create some compound objects and find the perimeter. Find the area. So the following denotes a plane. Example number 1. So they have given a figure like this. So that compound object is formed using a semicircle and a square. This is 14 centimeter and this is square. Since this is square, this is also 14 centimeter. So we need to find the area of this object. So first we need to find the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. That is half into pi r square. Why do I put half? Since it is a semicircle, so I need to put 180 over 360 into pi r square. That is half into pi r square. That is half into 22 by 7 into radius. The diameter is 40, so the radius is 7. So because diameter is 2r, so r is d by 2. So 14 divided by 2. So that is 7. 7 into 7. So I can eliminate these 7 and 11. So that is 77 centimeters square. So that is the area of semicircle. Again, I need to find the area of this square as well. So area of square is equal to 14 into 14. Sorry. 196. Okay, now 196 centimeter square. So the answer is, so the area of the compound object is, so area of compound object is 196 plus 77. So 273 centimeter square. Okay. Right, moving to the example number 2. Example number 2, there we have two sectors which makes 30 degree at the center and we have a rectangle. So we need to find the area of one sector and multiply by 2 plus the rectangle's area. So let me find the area of sector. Area of one sector is equal to, I think you can be able to see the figure in your book, example number 2. That's what I'm explaining now. So here 30 over 360 into pi r square, that is 30 over 360 into 22 by 7 into, instead of r square I can put 7 because the breadth of the rectangle is the area of the sector. So here 7 into 7. So here 1, 12. So 6, 11. That is 77 by 6. 77 by 6. Okay. 77 by 6 centimeters square. If I want, I can, or else I can leave it as it is. Okay, that's fine. Again, we need to find the area. So this is area of one sector. So area of both sectors is equal to 77 by 6 into 2, which is equal to 13. That is 77 by 3. So if I give it in decimal points, here 2 2 1 7 means 7. In 20 we have 6 and 20. 6 I think 25.66 or something. Yes. Otherwise we can give it in hybrid form. So that is 77 by 3. So we have 25. So 3 and the remainder is 2. So centimeter. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the square. Now we have to find the area of the square. Is equal to, that is 7 into 10. 7 into 10 centimeters square, that is 70 centimeters square. Now again, we need to find the area of the compound object, that is this two, both sectors plus this square. So that is 70 plus 25, 22 by 3 is equal to, here we can separately add these numbers, and that is 95, here 2 by 3. So 90 by the 2 by 3 centimeters square. That's all. Right. Moving to the third example. The shaded portion. Let me erase this. The shaded portion is obtained by cutting 1/4 of a circle from a rectangular lamina. Find the area of the shaded portion using the given data. Now, so here from a rectangular lamina, they cut off one quadrant. So that is here this is 20 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. So the shaded area, they asked to find the shaded area. So shaded area is equal to area of rectangle minus area of quadrant. So here area of rectangle is 20 into 7 minus, here this is quadrant. So 1/4 into 1/4 into pi r square. So 22 by 7, r is 7. 7 into 7. So I can do 11. So 140 minus 77 by 2. So the answer is, you can simplify and get the answer 101.5 centimeters square. So this is, I think, 38.5 that is given in the book. And if you subtract 38.5 from 140, you receive 101.5 centimeters square. And they have given exercise 6.2. There is nothing new in the question. And they have given summary as well. And after that, you have some miscellaneous questions. You can try them as well, right? So this is nothing. This is related to the perimeter. So after explaining perimeter, I have explained you area of sectors. We will try to upload another video as well. And if you want to continue our classes, and we are ready to arrange some classes on Zoom. So if you guys want to join our classes online, So we will try to hold classes until you finish your oral examination. So you can send your details to this WhatsApp number 077 393 4757. We will arrange group classes as well as individual classes. And because it is very difficult for me to upload each and every unit, so if you attend our Zoom classes, you have the chance to ask your doubts and you can interrupt me at any time. But because while we are watching the video on YouTube, you can't ask me questions. So if you attend our classes, definitely you will be able to ask doubts and learn more. Okay, so please share this video with your friends. And if you want to attend our classes, you just send me your details to this WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.